Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna do stuff like not only one thing, showing you how to draw. So first get your piece of paper, or a piece of paper. I've got a notepad, but you don't need to have a notepad. So yeah. So if there's up and then pause the video to get one. Well, you know that, but just in case. Alright, so this is how you draw an orange. It's so simple. You might think this video is rubbish, but just in case you don't know how to draw an orange, which I think everyone does, but just in case. So you got that, and then get a pen. Pause the video again, or if there's one next to you, you can you don't have to pause it. Yeah, so this is a drawing orange. First I'm just gonna put the camera on. Yeah. First you draw like half a circle, then draw the other half. This might not be such a good circle, but something like that. And then do like a little stalk. And sometimes oranges are spotty, so you can do like some spots, or I don't know. Yeah, something like that. So this way. Alright. So now I'm going to show you how to draw an apple. And again, just in case. So, again, get a piece of paper, or something like that, and then get a pen. So then you've got your apple. Or you don't need to get it because you can already have it. So then the apple, and then the apple's a bit more harder. It might be hard. No, it's not like black people, but so some apples are like this, or like sorry, like you know what I mean, round. Some apples are like they're like green or red, or I don't know, sometimes both. And then it's got stalk. And then yeah, so that's pretty much it. And sometimes it has like a spot at the bottom, but not always. So there's an apple. So apple, or I don't know. Alright, that commas been killers. If you've seen that before, you could tell me to comment. So, if you like this video, which I don't think you will, because it's not very good, please like or comment. You don't have to subscribe, it's okay, because I don't really mind about the subscribers. Or you can if you like that. Not saying you should. Well, yeah. Right, yeah, so then I've got one more thing. Pomegranate. This might be spelled wrong, but I'm just doing this video quickly. So you don't have to spell it like this, or don't, because it's really bad. So let's say you draw pomegranate. I'll do it to the side, so because then I have more space. So you go something like that big. Yeah. But forget about that bit. So some pomegranates have that. It's not actually that wide, it's more of a circular shape. I'll leave it like that. Again, it's got that stalk bit. One sec. Okay, yeah. Then it's got like these wrinkles or a little bit harder. Something like that. But not that hard, just very gentle. Because the camera isn't very good. Yeah. My voice app might sound a bit weird because in my other video the signal wasn't very good. Yeah. Yeah, so you don't have to do S's, but I just do S's, like wrinkles or something. Yeah, so like that. Or, yeah, so that's pretty much it. And then it's got like, then you can do, ever seen these things before? Well, I just did it in my other picture, like that. So I think it's to make it stand out a bit more, I don't know. You might have seen it before, but nothing. So like, there's one there, and there's one there. Okay, and then you can do it all in all four corners, but and sometimes on the side. And yeah, oh yeah, well, yeah, something like that. Well, so if you didn't really see any of that, then here are the pictures. Here's the pomegranate. Spelled wrong. Remember that, don't spell that bit, spell it that way. I just wanted to do it quickly. And that word says, stalk. And yeah, so that's pomegranate. Not a very good one, but vaguely. There's an orange, and remember, sometimes it's got spots. And see, I did those curly things on the apple too. Because it's got like different colours, so I just did that. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please like or comment. As I said, you don't have to subscribe, but you can. But thanks for watching. Bye.